Hi everyone, welcome to my After Effects tutorial. So in today's video, we are going to make this video from scratch. So we're going to start by placing our blackboard in the workspace. After, place S and scale it to fit all the workspace. So bring the type tool and type any text you want. Place S and scale the text to be big enough. Make sure it is in the middle. So the font I used Rudiment. You can use any font that works. So after, bring the pen tool and trace the word. And remember, you must select the word before you trace it. So trace the word until you complete it. After, go to Effects and select Generate and then Stroke. After, go on the text layer and select Stroke. Go on the Paint style and select on Original Image. So after, make the brush size 6.5. So now we are going to animate the text start, so go and make the start 100. And go to this point and click its clock watch. Move at this distance and make the start to move the fast letter and the click again on the clock watch. Repeat it again until you complete all letter. So no, we are going to animate our chalk, and we can do it in two ways. So place S to scale the chalk, and we are going to start from the fast way, which might be hard, and second, we do the easy way. So this method position the chalk to the start of the animation and make sure the animation is at the start, and after place P and click on the clock watch. After move the animation and also move a distance and move the chalk to follow the animation. Do it until you complete all the text. So that is the fast method to do. The second method is animating product along the path. Here you draw a path using a pen tool. After that you copy the pen tool layer path by CTRL-C and place P on the object and place CTRL-V to paste that path. So after apply drop shadow on the chalk. So make the shadow distance 23. So after adjust the angel like this, we don't want the shadow to be in front of the writing part. And you can adjust more on the distance according what you want. So another thing we want after the animation, the chalk to go out of the composition. So at this point, place to bring the chalk position, and after move a distance and move the chalk out of the composition. After select those two keyframes and ease them. So next to animate the brush, so bring in the brush. Place S and scale the brush. Place R and rotate the brunt at any point you want. So what we want is the brush to come from outside and then wrap the U letter. So position the brush out of the composition. After, place P and click on Position Clockwatch. Move a distance and pull the Position Clockwatch down, passing the U letter. So what we want is the N letter to reduce its opacity when the brush passes to it. So what we are going to do, place Ctrl D to duplicate the text layer. Hide the downer layer, and after bring the mask and select the U part on the top layer. So do the same thing but opposite, hide the top layer and bring the mask and select P and E. So next we are going to animate the N opacity. So when the brush is at this point, place T and click on the opacity clockwatch. Move at this point and make the opacity 19. After, apply shadow to the brunt and make this adjustments.